leek and corn chowder. Prepare the ingredients. Roughly chop 1 celery stick, finely slice 1 leek, cut 3 potatoes into bite-sized pieces, cut the kernels off 4 corn cobs, heat a pot over high heat, add the leek and celery and saute. Add a little water, add the potatoes, add the corn, add 1 tablespoon of wholemeal flour, add 2 cups of vegetable stock, add 1 cup of soy milk and stir. Cover with a lid and bring to the boil. When boiling, reduce the heat to low and simmer until the potatoes are soft. Remove the lid when the potatoes are soft and stir. Serve in a bowl sprinkled with some chopped parsley.